Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul for you, not from Dollar Tree, not from Dollar General, not from Party City, but from Dollar City. In case you don't know what Dollar City is a similar version of what the Dollar Tree is to us here. There are only Dollar Trees located in Guatemala, Colombia, and El Salvador, I believe. I've heard from a couple different people that there are Dollar Cities scattered about here in the US, but I don't know if it's the actual Dollar City or just maybe small businesses that are named Dollar City. Either way, when I was in Guatemala, I stopped in multiple times because I fell in love with the store, and I'm going to show some clips here, kind of what the store looked like, and what it had. It was very much like a Dollar Tree. It had crafts, it had things for your house, like for your kitchen, storage containers, and a bunch of the stuff that I got was organizing stuff. And I did bring all of this back on the plane. My dad was like, why are you taking these things that you can find here in the US back to the US? But you can't find them, one, as cheap, and two, I thought they were really cute and I wanted them. Now, something about the Dollar City is that everything is obviously not a dollar. This is in Guatemala, so things are in quetzales. So when I show you the price or tell you the price, I will put the US dollar equivalent to them. I believe it's like 7.36 or something like that is the exchange rate, 7.36 quetzales to 1 US dollar. And a cat fur in my mouth, and not everything was 7 quetzales. So we have things that were like 8, 12. The highest it went was 24, so I believe that's like 4 US dollars. So it's kind of like what's it called? Five Below. Everything's 5 or below. So that's kind of what it is equivalent in price wise. So without any further blabbing, let's go ahead and get started. So the first few things I'm going to show you are going to be Christmas related. I picked up some things prior to Christmas and then some things after Christmas. Now, Guatemala, at least at Dollar City, they didn't have any Christmas stuff on sale after Christmas, or even after New Year's. So I still picked them up because, like I said, they weren't expensive at all. But I don't know if Guatemala really does after Christmas sales like they do here. I didn't see that many. So, but the first two things I got, they were 24 quetzales each, and they are these little sheets of burlap. They are 14 by 78 inches, and I will use these next year, either to decorate or for crafts. But I thought they were so cute because they have the print. My cat really wants on her cat tower again. On the burlap, they have printed snowflakes on them, and I hadn't seen anything like these. My bird is getting really loud. But I haven't seen anything like these here in the US, definitely not at the Dollar Tree. So I picked 2 of those up. The next couple of things I picked up are going to be for decoration next year. They were 10 quetzales each, and they're just these little glass jars. They have the plastic straw. They kind of look like milk jars, like the old-fashioned ones, and they say have a holly jolly Christmas. And even though it's a Spanish company, and even though it's sold in Guatemala, things are in English there. They did have like the information was in Spanish, but the actual print, you find a lot of stuff in English. So that's what they look like. I think they're cute, and I'm really excited. I probably should have filmed this video before I took all my Christmas stuff down, because now I'm gonna have to find a spot for these. The last Christmas item I picked up was this little Santa-esque basket. This was actually, this and these 2 jars were the first couple things that I bought from Dollar City. And this one, I took the price off because we actually used this for Christmas to put candy in at my grandma's house. But I think it was like maybe 10 quetzales or 8 quetzales. It wasn't over 10. But that's what it looks like. It looks like his little belt. and his suit. And I'll probably next year put these in here like this, maybe, and maybe with like, I'll find a fake cookie or something, just kind of, I don't know. We'll see what I do. Pick up some things for my hair. This was 8 quetzales, and it's just a little headband with this really cute bow. Like, I liked the texture of it, and I liked the color. And it's gonna actually show up against my black hair. And then the second one was this little thing. I like to dress somewhat rockabilly or like vintage sometimes, and I thought this was just really cute. It was also 8 quetzales, and what's really fun about this is that you can move this so it can be on the top of your head. That's really cute. Maybe I should wear this tonight. I think I'm gonna wear this tonight to work. Pretty sure I'm gonna wear this tonight to work. My boyfriend gave me a thumbs up, so I'm wearing this tonight to work. I bought this, they're play mats, and it's a package of 4. And I like these because they're great for building armor for cosplay, and they are not thick. Like, I've been having problems finding these mats that aren't like super thick. I bought some at Lowe's for $20, and they're really, really thick, and I was going to use them as Wonder Woman's like corset and stuff, but I might end up using these because these are going to be easier to shape. And this was 24 quetzales, so $4-ish. Definitely beats $20 from Lowe's. Something I bought down there for my photo shoot and I actually didn't end up using was this. It's just 10 hojas or pages of foam, and it has quite a few. It doesn't say the price on it, though I'm pretty sure it was 8 quetzales. I am pretty sure. But I didn't want to leave these down there because you can always use foam. Like, for cosplay, you can find some use for it. And, like, paint it and whatnot. So I went ahead and brought these. It didn't take up that much room or weight in my suitcase. So I was like, I'm not going to leave that. Now, the next things I brought are the things that I'm excited about. Because I'm really into organizing lately, and trying to get my apartment just kind of more, I don't know, in a better shape, because everything is everywhere right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got for organizing from Dollar Tree. It was 16 quetzales, and I got 2 of them, I believe. Yeah, I did. I got 2 of them. And it's just has 3 different compartments, and as you can see, I already put one away because I was organizing my kitchen the other day. And right here, I just have my individually packaged teas in it, and it works really well. They fit perfectly, and like I said, it was 16 quetzales, so just a little over $2. And I feel like, I was telling my dad, if you find something like this at Target, you're easily going to pay between $5 and $12, depending on the like style and type of container that you buy.
In the store for like $8.
Mm-hmm.
8 to 9.
Yeah. So these are the first 2, and I also did get the container one in a different color, and I'm gonna put this by my bed, on my bedside, on my nightstand, to put like a lotion and like just a couple other things, because right now things are just on my nightstand and they fall off, or at night I would, like when I'm trying to like plug in my phone or something, I'll knock something over. So this just is a little bit more of a way to organize because I'm messy. The next 3 things are very similar, except they don't have the different compartments. And I'm going to put my silverware in there, in these. They were also 16 quetzales. And I'm just going to take out my silverware in the silver container that I have now. It's plastic, it's white. I've had it for a couple years, so it's kind of looking, even though you clean it, it's still white stuff. It gets looking dingy after a while. I'm going to put them in these, and I'm just going to put them like this in my drawer. I think they're really pretty, and they give more of a clean look and sanitary look than a dingy plastic holder. So those are that. Next thing I got was 20 quetzales. And this is what it looks like. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with all of this stuff, but I'll find a place. I always do. And it's just good to have extra containers for when you do need one. You don't have to just go out and buy one. But this is what it looks like. It's kind of a medium size. It says multi-purpose basket. So I got that one. And then I also got one that's a square. And I was really tempted to get a couple different ones of these because I felt like I could use them in my kitchen, but I just bought one. It was 12 quetzales, and it's fairly deep, as you can see, and that's what it looks like. And I really like that these look woven. I don't know. This one was 24 quetzales, and it's a good size. It's a nice deep square that, again, I will find a space for. And then the last thing, and I'm going rather quickly because I'm going to have to go to work here soon. What time is it?
4:39.
I have a little bit of time. Anyways, the last thing is this one, and it's super cute. It's like a tray. I paid 24 quetzales for this, and this I actually know exactly where it's going. It's going on my coffee table in my living room, and I'm going to put the remote for the TV and coasters, and then the game controller in here. And this is going to be their new home because we always lose the remote control, and so we're looking to try and turn on or turn off the TV, and we can't find it. And I am lazy and don't want to get up and do it, like walk over to the TV like it's the 1960s or 70s or whatever. So yeah, this is going to be our controller bin. But anyways, that was everything that I purchased from Dollar City. I've been searching unsuccessfully to find some here in the US, and I found one in Texas. I don't know if it's actually Dollar City, and my aunt said there was one in Las Vegas. However, both of those places aren't super close to me, so I don't know when I'll get to go again. Whenever I go back to Guatemala, possibly in October, I plan to do a lot of shopping there once again. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to see what I end up doing with all of these and how I use them for organization, just comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I will talk to you guys later. Later days!